We have some active weather coming in for Friday night, Saturday, and then again on Sunday. So let's get right to. First of all, up here in the timeline for what happens Friday night, early Saturday. Number one, I don't expect a big severe weather outbreak. This is just something that's disruptive, may make it a little tough to sleep, and there could be some trees that get knocked down, some small hail that falls out of these. But the majority of the storms that move into North Alabama after midnight through about 4 a.m. will not be severe or destructive, but they still could be fairly rough. In central Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Springville, Gadsden, Anniston, Jacksonville, Jasper, even the Coleman area too, up to Crossville and Center, as those storms are moving south through 3 a.m. to 7 a.m., we'll look out for the limited chance of an isolated severe storm, but they should be losing a lot of steam by that point. And then here in the middle, on Sunday, we'll have some more thunderstorms, while the majority of Saturday during the day looks okay. Region Charity Classic, softball, soccer, baseball, whatever it might be. I think you're good to go. The ground may just be wet early after the morning rain, but the most of the afternoon should be fine. Sunday, we'll have a few periods with a few different waves of storms, and a lot of it has to do with that front that is stalled over central Alabama. That should be the catalyst for several rounds of thunderstorms throughout the day. Just kind of hit or miss, a little more difficult to time, so just be on your toes if one of those storms is headed your direction. And then down below in the 7-day forecast, we've got the storms over the weekend. We'll have another pretty robust line of thunderstorms come through on Tuesday, but after that, we're finally going to dry out, and it gets quite a bit cooler too. In fact, look at this. A little bit more difficult to understand, but all those little streaks of blue and green, that represents lots of vertical motion and moisture in the atmosphere. And suddenly, after that round of storms next Tuesday, we've got descending air. That's what the red arrow represents, and that should make it a lot drier around here for at least 3 or 4 days. So if you need to do something that requires a few dry days, we're finally going to get that toward the end of next week, and maybe we can stay dry through the entire weekend next week.